Get your anger out. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. So far I'm closer than Pete already. And he's had twice as many rounds as me, but I've got closer to the target. Because I'm a sick bitch. I'm going to get my firearms license when I get back from the South. To knock me off my feet.
Weapons free!
Reload! Okay. Oh, that's right! Closer again! Yep. That's right! It's closer again! Woo! Woo!
Oh, 3 of them!
That's right. You